Hey there, startup founders. Today, I want to talk about something that could be a game changer for your business: custom software development by DythonAI Innovations Technologies. I know, you might be thinking, why should I invest in custom software when there are so many ready-made solutions out there? Well, let me break it down for you. First off, custom software from DythonAI is tailored specifically to your needs. Imagine having a tool that's built to solve your unique problems and streamline your processes. No more trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. You're getting exactly what you need. Nothing more, nothing less. Secondly, scalability. Ready-made solutions might work for now, but what happens when your business grows? Will that software grow with you? With DythonAI custom software, you can scale up seamlessly, adding new features and capabilities as your business expands. Next up, competitive advantage. When you have a tool that's designed specifically for your business, you're not just keeping up with the competition, you're outpacing them. DythonAI custom software gives you the edge you need to innovate and stay ahead. And let's not forget about security. Off-the-shelf software is a bigger target for hackers because it's used by so many people. Custom software, on the other hand, is more secure because it's unique to your business. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't custom software expensive? Yes, it can be a significant investment up front. But think about the long-term benefits: the efficiency, the scalability, the competitive edge, and the security. These can save you money and headaches down the line. In the end, custom software isn't just an expense. It's an investment in your business's future. It's about creating a solid foundation that will support your growth and success. So, if you're serious about taking your startup to the next level, consider custom software development by DythonAI Innovations Technologies. It could be the game changer you've been looking for. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.